Kitchen. Do you know who I am? I am refrigerator. Do you recognize me? I am freezer. Do I look familiar to you? I am trash bin. Have you seen me before? I am electric mixer. Do you know who I am? I am cabinet. Do you recognize me? I am paper towel holder. Do I look familiar to you? I am canister. Have you seen me before? I am kitchen counter. Do you know who I am? I am dishwasher liquid. Do I look familiar to you? I am faucet. Have you seen me before? I am kitchen sink. Do you know who I am? I am dishwasher. Do you recognize me? I am garbage disposal. Do I look familiar to you? I am dish towel. Have you seen me before? I am dish rack. Do you know who I am? I am spice rack. Do you recognize me? I am can opener. Do I look familiar to you? I am blender. Have you seen me before? I am toaster oven. Do you know who I am? I am microwave oven. Do you recognize me? I am pot holder. Do I look familiar to you? I am tea kettle. Have you seen me before? I am stove. Do you know who I am? I am burner. Do you recognize me? I am oven. Do I look familiar to you? I am toaster. Have you seen me before? I am coffee maker. Do you recognize me? I am cutting board. Do I look familiar to you? I am cookbook. Have you seen me before? I am food processor. Do you know who I am? I am kitchen chair. Do you recognize me? I am dining table. Do I look familiar to you? I am placemat. Have you seen me before? I am ice cream scoop. Do you recognize me? I am bottle opener. Do I look familiar to you? I am vegetable peeler. Have you seen me before? I am egg beater. Do you know who I am? I am lid cover. Do you recognize me? I am cooking pot. Do I look familiar to you? I am frying pan. Have you seen me before? I am double boiler. Do you know who I am? I am wok. Do you recognize me? I am ladle. Do I look familiar to you? I am strainer. Have you seen me before? I am spatula. Do you know who I am? I am steamer. Do you recognize me? I am knife. Do I look familiar to you? I am garlic press. Have you seen me before? I am grater. Do you know who I am? I am casserole dish. Do you recognize me? I am roasting pan. Do I look familiar to you? I am roasting rack. Have you seen me before? I am carving knife. Do you know who I am? I am saucepan. Do you recognize me? I am colander. Do I look familiar to you? I am kitchen timer. Have you seen me before? I am rolling pin. Do you know who I am? I am pie plate. Do you recognize me? I am paring knife. Do I look familiar to you? I am cookie sheet. Have you seen me before? I am cookie cutter. Do you know who I am? I am mixing bowl. Do you recognize me? I am whisk. Do I look familiar to you? I am measuring cup. Have you seen me before? I am measuring spoon. Do you know who I am? I am cake pan. Do you recognize me? I am wooden spoon. Do I look familiar to you? I am sponge. Have you seen me before? I am scouring pad. Do you know who I am? I am pot scrubber. Do you recognize me? I am refrigerator magnet. Do I look familiar to you? I am ice maker. Have you seen me before? I am ice tray. Did you enjoy learning about these kitchen objects? Explore more exciting videos on our channel, and be sure to subscribe for lots more fun. Until next time, see ya!